What's up, guys? Let's go for a quick drive in this 2024 BMW 840i M Sport. Super nice. This thing only has 335 horsepower and it feels way faster than that. I don't know what BMW did to tune it to be so fast, but it's insane. The materials in here are crazy. This has the glass controls. Super nice. All the materials are so high-end. And the rear seats are so comfortable and spacious. I'm 6'1" and I'm able to fit back there just fine. And you have heated seats, you have a power retractable sunshades, a power sunroof for the rear as well, which is really cool. And the ZF8 in this thing is insanely quick. It's so sharp, the transmission. I've been driving this car for a few weeks while my M3 is in service. So I've been able to really test it out. You see how quick that is? It's a giant sedan. I mean, this is the Grand Coupe. It's a massive car. I'm sure it's insanely heavy, and then it just pulls like a freight train. I never knew the 840i was this fast, so I've been blown away by it. Like, look at this. I mean, for comparison, an Acura TLX Type S is 355 horsepower, and that thing feels like a snail compared to this. So here's proof that you don't even need 400 horsepower to make a car really fast. It's just that you have to tune it right. Because I don't know what's going on here as to why this car is this fast. Like, it's just mind-blowing. Every day it just keeps blowing me away, no matter what kind of test I put it through. No matter how much stress I put this car through, it's just, it performs so well. It handles amazing. This one's the M Sport. You have the M Performance brake calipers. I mean, this has a sticker of $99,000. Look at that. It's insane. I'm not even in Sport Plus, I'm in Sport. Yeah, BMW makes some incredible cars. The cabin is very well insulated. It's so nice and comfortable. This thing reminds me of a Bentley Continental GT. The only other time I had a similar experience like this in a big coupe is when I drove a 2017 Continental GT. Awesome car. This thing is beautiful. Interior has immaculate materials. Super high end. It commands attention everywhere you go. The glass controls are gorgeous. Like this shifter is amazing, and it has an 8 inside the shifter, which becomes orange at nighttime, which is so cool. What is that guy doing? God. These things brand new are really expensive. 100 grand's not worth it, just because, as everyone knows, the 7 Series and 8 Series depreciate like crazy. But if you get this used, a couple years old, for like 50K, 45K, actually, okay, not 45K, but like 50K, it's so worth it. This is so much car for the money at 50K. Even the 100K mark, it's a great car, but like you're only getting a 6-cylinder at that point. But like if you're spending 100K, get a used M8. And the thing with the 840i is that it's more reliable than an M8 50i or an M8, which is a good thing. Instead of having a twin turbo V8, you have this has the B58, I'm pretty sure. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. A bunch of more content coming out. And if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below, and I'll catch you on the next one. I'm out.